Good morning, and thank you very much for joining us for our first ever virtual product launch. Today we're launching the Seiko range of large area printers. When we launched our range of TIG printers some years ago, we wanted to be making a difference. We wanted something that challenged the existing methods like a CIJ printer. And in TIG, you've got a very compact, easy to use, maintenance-free system based on the HP cartridge. It's a technology that's perfectly valid for printing onto outer cases, but of course the print area is small because the cartridge only has a 12.7 half-inch high print area. With the Seiko range, that's all been addressed because the print area is much larger. Here we have two printers that both use the Seiko printhead. Different types of printhead, but same manufacturer. Again, easy to use, maintenance free, just let them run. On the left, we have the X72, which uses the free flow method for delivering ink to the head. It's just gravity. Here's the reservoir, here's the printhead. A single array nozzle at 180 dpi. On the right, we have the PP108, 108mm high print area, but this has a 4 nozzle array, each at 90 dpi, to give a maximum resolution of 360 dpi. Those nozzles can also be split, so if you want to run two ink reservoirs, you can have both red and black or just two colours. The ink delivery system, the PosiFlow system, is actually pumped, so the ink is constantly recirculating between the reservoir and the head. And that means that the reservoir can be positioned at any height relative to the head. On the X72, it's quite important that it's mounted at the correct height. Let's make a print. So first we have the PP108 making its print, then we have the X72 making its print. So, let's see what we've got. Top half we've got the output from the X72, and below that the output from the PP108. First thing to notice, a really crisp, sharp, dark, black print. So that's allowed us to print a nice logo, text, down to the smallest font size you may want on a box, a QR code, our spread the word logo, and a barcode. Now, of course, traditionally this information would be put on a box using a label. If you dispense with a label and print directly onto the box, you could be saving 90% of your consumable cost, because you've got the cost of the label, the cost to print the label, and then the cost to apply the label to the box. Furthermore, you're adding paper to the box, which could be seen as a contaminant, and there is a drive to try and reduce paper usage throughout packaging. So there's many benefits to printing directly to the box. However, one really important component of this print is the barcode. The barcode must scan, and more especially, the barcode needs to verify to the correct standard. Luckily enough, we've got a verifier here, so what we're going to do is verify this barcode and see what we get. Okay, so here we have the Axicon linear barcode verifier. We've placed that on top of the print that we've just made, and if we press the button, we get an overall grade of a C. Now the reason it's a C is that there's a limit to the contrast between black and brown, and the verifier knows this. C is a really good score. D is also a pass because it recognises the fact that at printing on black on brown, you don't get the contrast between the bars and the background. If you want an A, you need to be printing onto a white background. Again, made with the same printer, really sharp, dark, black bars, and then if we bring the verifier forward onto the white print, we get an A. We get another one, every time an A. So the printing technology is delivering the perfect barcode, and on a white background, you'll get an A every time. Okay, so how do you find out more about these printers? Well, number of ways. They're very useful. You can print many things with them. So, first thing, if you'd like to give us a call, there's our phone number, 01707 393 700. You've got the email address underneath, and then you've got our website address there as well. If you'd like to have an on-site demonstration, we're always happy to come to site and mount these onto the side of a conveyor or onto a case sealer. Or of course, if you'd like to see a format of yours print onto a box here in our factory, send us the information. We can do a virtual demonstration and we can show you the information printing onto a box. Thanks very much for joining us. Do get in contact and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.